everybody. Okay, I am doing, along with a bunch of other people, a Stitched Faces course on Jeanne Oliver's Facebook group. And if you see this on that group, because I may post it there as well, it's just because I love it and I just want to spread the word. So we just started Monday, and so we had our first lesson and then homework. So this is my homework and where I am on it. So the first thing was make yourself a little sewing kit, so that you can do this anywhere. You can do it at the doctor's office, you can do it sitting on the couch watching TV, whatever. So I have this little bag, and I love that I was able to keep mine really small. So she's also a big proponent on using what you already have. So I had a bunch of embroidery threads and thin yarns. So that's what I've put in here in all different colors. But I kind of do have a muted color palette going. And then I love this. I got this at Hallmark about a dozen years ago or so. A friend was getting married, and they're little sewing kits. Now, I did put a bigger needle. Where is it? There it is. I did put a bigger needle in it because I just like a bigger needle. But these are real scissors, like real scissors, y'all. They're metal scissors, and they really cut. They're great. But I love that they fold up so tiny, because a lot of times what makes you have to have a bigger kit is your scissors. So I thought I would share it mainly because I love this, because this is actually my sewing kit. This is my thread that I'm going to work with. And then we also had to make our faces. So I got some, just some plain canvas that I had gotten. I had gotten a big sheet of it, untreated canvas. And then I also had some burlap scraps. And then I made, already, I had done these stencils. They're just stencils I drew and cut myself. And this one, y'all, as you can tell, this is my first one, and I didn't want to, I had bought this real stencil material, but I thought for the first one I didn't want to take a chance on just messing it up. So I just used a plastic file folder from Dollar General. Yeah. There were 5 for $1, and it works. I'll show you it works, because that's this face. I just used a paint dauber to go through to just, because I just want to do it quick. And I picked a kind of light color so that hopefully the yarn will hide it. And I did that face on that one and partially on this one. I thought that would be kind of cool. And then this smaller face I did on this plain burlap. That was red burlap. This plain burlap. These strings, though, may drive me nuts. And then this is that canvas, and then this is the third face. So anyway, these are my faces that I'm going to do for the Stitched Faces class, and I can't wait to start sewing them. Bye, y'all.